Ayan, kwentuhan mo naman kami sa iyong mga dinalang item. Pwede bang unahin mo itong bag na hawak ko?
Yeah,
Ayan,
actually,
yan, yan.
this is bale, yung fabric nito is from Mindanao po. Langkit po ang tawag dyan.
Mm-mm.
So, ako po yung nag-design kasi I feel na yung very colorful yung fabric niya. It
Mm-mm.
goes best with denim. So,
Mm-mm.
gumawa ako ng denim bag. So,
Mm-mm.
matagal din yung transformation. I started with very small bag hanggang sa parang
Mm-mm.
nagre-request na sila na, ay, maliit. Pwede bang lakihan mo?
Mm-mm.
Then, hanggang sa dumami na siya. So, nagkaroon din kami
You
ng
have variety.
inaol
Oh, yan, yan. Oh,
clutches.
yeah, inaul, yes.
Inaul clutches. And then, ito din, bale, ito yung collaboration namin from province of Quezon.
Mm-mm.
But we designed it with Sari Manok.
Oo nga.
Yeah,
That's
so skilled artisans din na gumawa dito. But I'm the one who designed. This one naman po, sorry, baliktad.
Balik tayo nga, sabi mo, ayan,
It's
ako na lang.
Binta
Ayan.
Boat naman po. So it's from Mindanao. So a touch of Mindanao pa rin.
Mm-mm.
So then we have this. Ito yung Baor bags namin. We call it Baor bags because it came from here.
Oo.
Ito yung treasure chest namin. This is very, very
Bilang mo
common.
kayo manager.
Pwedeng lagyan. So, ito po yung usual na treasure chest namin.
Oo.
Tapos, galing siya dyan, ginawa namin siyang bag.
Mm-mm.
Opo. So,
Pwede
collaboration
ba
naman po
natin
ito.
buksan, buksan
Yeah,
makita yung
sure
loob?
po.
Anong itsura sa loob?
Leather po
Ayan,
siya. Yeah. So, may
okay.
tatak na po siya din.
Oh, okay lang yan. At least
Oo.
nakita natin yung loob. Ayan. O, tapos, ay, tama ba yung belt?
Yeah, this is
Oh.
collaboration to actually with the langkit is from Mindanao.
Mindanao.
And the brass is also from Mindanao. And collaboration with Marikina. Kasi it's pure leather. So along the way, during nagbabasar ako, may mga
It's
nami-meet
cute.
akong people na we can collaborate with our raw materials.
I just noticed na fashion na rin itong tinatahak mo.
Yeah,
Kasi
oo.
complete you have accessories. Meron ka bang damit?
Wala pa po.
Wala pa. Baka eventually
Baka hindi
meron
ko na kaya.
Kayanin mo, para kumpleto ka na girl. And then, parang nakita ko na merong earrings. Ayan so
Yeah, we
damit
have-
lang yung
opo.
kulang sa'yo eh. Why don't
Opo.
you try it, di ba?
Opo. So this one naman po, this is gold-filled brass from Mindanao. And then hand-carved mother of pearl. Ang fan yung design niya. So we make sure na yung mga design namin is inclined pa rin. Philippines yung design niya.
Right.